This is Anthony with Anthony's Lawn Care, Landscaping, and Tree Removal. And I just want to let you guys know that we're doing 15% off of tree trimming, tree removal, and stump grinding all winter long. And this will last until March of 2023, and we're happy to help anytime. So if you have some dangerous tree limbs or trees that need to be removed, please just let us know. You can give us a call at 812-929-9463 at any time. And again, this is Anthony with Anthony's Lawn Care, Landscaping, and Tree Removal, and we'll be happy to help you anytime. Thank you.